Hi there, folks.
Hello, happy Easter.
This is Barry and Kim with the Hoey team, brokered by eXp Realty here in Naples. And we just wanted to check in with you guys and wish you happy Easter or happy Passover, whatever you're celebrating. And we just want to send out good wishes to everybody, wherever you are in the world. We're continuing to do some real estate work here, and we're also available to help people. We've actually got a website or a web page that we have information for people on finding items that may be useful at this time. Visit collier.com and we'll put a link up there for you to go to. But basically we just wanted to say hello and wish everybody well, and we'll be chatting to you soon.
Yeah, just happy Easter to everyone. Stay safe, and we continue on and look forward to the many days ahead.
Absolutely. And this will pass, and we're all in it together, and it's great to see people helping one another. And before we know it, we'll be past this bump, and everything it'll be with all the technology and everything we have in today's world, at least we're all able to connect and we can continue, and we'll be back to where we were. Alrighty, chat later.
Bye.
Bye now.